Finger licking good avocado meal. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Give me some ideas in the comments below, and trust me, I really need some utensil right now. You know something, I'm just going to use the spoon and then scoop this out. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at how smooth and creamy this avocado is. Oh my goodness. Tell me where you're going to get this in a store. I tell you you know how minimalist life is? You create this at home and you saw it in the fridge. Oh my goodness. This is good. I just need a lot. Like, I really need a lot. Hey, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In my next upload, I will show you how to make this nice caramelized onion for the vegan burger. Now the vegan burger will be uploaded on Friday. In this video, the focus is on the avocado mayo. Guys, it is a delicacy. I wanted you guys to have the foundation before I show you one of my favorite and best known vegan burger from Liam's Hut. So guys, again, stay tuned for this upload. Now let's head to the kitchen and make some mayonnaise. I will be showing you how to make your own mayo. Guys, it is all vegan. You won't want to miss this recipe. You can actually make your own home mayonnaise at home, and it's all vegan. I can't wait to share that with you. It is an avocado mayo. I have tasted mayo growing up, and I could tell you this is a perfect replication for mayo, and it's all vegan, homemade, so you know exactly what ingredients is inside of this mayo. Finger-licking good homemade vegan mayo. Yes. I need another shot.